Hello everyone, Scott Girard here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to build out a thank you page, specifically using Clickfunnels 2.0. So this is a tutorial video for creating your thank you page that goes along with that opt-in we created. So I'm just going to get right into it here. So we want to, first of all, we're going to see this dashboard. We'll want to go into sites and funnels and get to our lead magnet. I'm going to show you how to do this in less than 10 minutes. So you go to your lead magnet funnel, and so mine will look a little bit different than yours. In yours, I deleted that thank you page. So in yours, you can go straight into edit. I needed to delete this so I can show you how to do this from scratch. But in order to delete any step in your funnel, you can just go remove. In order to add a step, you can go add, and I'll add a page. And this will be a thank you page. I can choose a template if I want, or I can just create a new page. For this purpose, we're going to create a new page. Optin your webinar, for example, and then it names it your webinar. We don't want it indexed because we want people to come through the funnel to get here. And we go into edit. And now all we're going to have on this page is two things. One, we want to have them check their email to get access to it. And also we can deliver the webinar in here if we so choose, or we can have them access it through the email. So we'll create a full page here, and put in a column, have it a headline. In here you would access your free training below. And we might have a video, and in this video I'm going to show you the video first if you choose to do it this way. And in this video you're going to say, hey, check your email, and in your email will be a link to access your free training. Make sure you move it from spam into your inbox. That's really important on these, so we get that helps with email deliverability. And then that's all it needs to be in this video. Now, if you want them to access the training right on the page itself, then we're just gonna have them, you can put in an element here below this video. And in the video you'll say, hey, and if you want to access it from this page, while you wait for your email, you can access this training from this page. And we're just going to put a button in here, and we'll go access training now. And then we'll have this link to a for this, we could have them, if we want to keep going through, we could have them just go to the next step, and the next step would be to create that page where you have their training, or you can have them go to a training page. Either or will work, so we can go redirect to the next step here, and we'll click save. I'm just gonna put in I'll just put in a link to a video in here just so you can see how this works. To one of my YouTube videos, and there we go. That there's the training. Access it now, or this will be you'll have a different picture in here, of course. Access the training now, and that'll go to the next step in the funnel. We'll go save, and in the next step, we will create a new page. So we'll have a page, a new page, and then your training. Don't want it indexed, and then we'll have, we'll go into edit. Put in a video. You have the headline there, and then add in a video. I'll just, for the sake of this video, I'll put in that same, or maybe I'll just put in I'll just put in that same video for the sake of this video. And maybe you'll want to put in a button in here also. At the end of the video, if you have a call to action, then maybe we want to go to a next step in the funnel as well, which would be or you can just put in, enter your name and email and sign up, but we'll have them, we can go to the next step in the funnel as well, which would be to to go to their order page. So redirect to the next step. I'm not going to show that in this. And that is what they'll do. So this is what that particular way of doing it looks like. I want to make it clear, the more steps that people have to go to, the less likely that they're going to watch your training. So you might want to have that first way I showed you, but this is another option to do. So when we go through here in this funnel, when I save it, now if I go through here, name and email address, get access to that, it's going to pop up this video on that. Access that training now, and then here's your training video, and click to sign up. So it's not too challenging for them to go through. And then this is where you would have your call to action for purchasing, and that will not be in this video because that's not what I'm doing. I'm just showing you your thank you page and another step in the funnel on delivering a this is a specific type, like it would be a course or like a webinar style training. And on YouTube, the nice thing about doing this on YouTube is that when people watch that, it's going to now rank your videos on YouTube organically. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Of course, if you do not have Clickfunnels 2.0, I'll put a link down below as well for you to access your free trial, and have an amazing day.